I just thought I would do a little bit of a voiceover while we are watching my pizza baking in the Gozney Arc XL pizza oven. So you can see here my temperature when I started off was about 724 degrees Fahrenheit. When I first got this pizza oven last year, I was under the assumption that you had to really go at 900 degrees Fahrenheit and that was it. There were, 100% rules. You can't change them. And then over time, I started realizing that at 900 degrees Fahrenheit, it was just out of control for me, being a beginner using this oven. And then I finally woke up and realized that I don't have to do my pizzas at 900 degrees Fahrenheit and that I could start dropping the temperature and having a little bit more control over the pizza bake. And so eventually I went with the 800 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I realized again that, why don't I just try going down to 700 degrees? And that's about the lowest that I want to go. Since then, I have gone up a little bit, around 750 degrees. But around that area, I find I have a lot more control with the doughs. Now, I don't show it in this video, but if I am going to be using a higher temperature, I will set the base of the pizza, and then I will use a pizza screen and just get that pizza right onto the screen so that I don't have any direct contact with the stone anymore. And that really helps out with the base not getting too burnt. So you can see, even at a temperature in the low 700s, how quickly that pizza baked. So if you do have a pizza oven that is fueled by propane, you can play around with the temperatures, have a lot more control over your pizza baking. And all of the videos that you see here of the pizzas baking, all of those video recipes for the actual dough are over on my main channel over at Bake Like a Pro. And I forgot to mention that this dough was at 65% hydration. I find at that hydration, it's a very easy working dough. If you're wondering about the stainless steel door that you saw in my video at the end, I also use that to preheat the oven, which saves a lot of propane. And at the end of the pizza bake, I will place it back there, turn the oven on high, put a timer on for 10 minutes, and at the end of that period, I'll turn it off, and the stone is really nice and clean. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching. If you want to watch a lot more videos, you can check them out over on my main baking channel over at Bake Like a Pro, and I'm also on Facebook at Bake Like a Pro. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.